Y'all, it's cold. Like, extremely cold. Y'all just gotta stay like this. I'm gonna talk to y'all like this. So, what's up, friends? Your girl is Dominique, and I'm back at it again. You know, with another video. And if y'all read by the title, y'all already see this is gonna be a quick little, just a vlog. I'm trying to get more into vlogging, get more comfortable with vlogging. I'm about to get ready to go grocery shopping because we in that time in Texas where it's getting real cold. People get real crazy. We ain't getting no food. So about to go to Walmart and get some groceries for the house. And just gonna take y'all along with me, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell all your friends to come join me, okay? Because it is time, okay? And y'all probably like, girl, what is it time for? It's time for whatever it is that God has for you in this particular season. And as for me, he has this whole vlogging, content creation. He has this on the agenda for me in this season. So it is time, in Jesus' name, for whatever this the Lord has for you in Jesus' name. So that's what we finna do. I probably will also insert a clip of an Amazon haul that I did a few days ago, and then one that I'm going to do today. So I'll probably insert that clip in here as well. So it's gonna be like a vlog slash Amazon haul. So if you haven't already, be sure to click the link in my description box and shop my links for all my Amazon faves. So speaking of which, this case, y'all, this case, super cute, super sleek. It's like a silicone case. I got this from Amazon for $3, y'all. Three of them things. I got this color and I got a black. $3. I've been needing a new case. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. I've been needing a new case, and this case was $3, y'all. I could not beat it. It says military grade, all that good stuff. And so I didn't do an unboxing with that one because I really wanted to put it on my phone. I could not wait. I was being a little impatient. And so but I did do an unboxing for everything else, and I will continue to do unboxing. I got 2 more items coming today. There's some computer accessories, and so I'll be unboxing those on cam for you guys. And so I'm about to get ready to go. I'm just letting my car heat up. Oh, I done got 2 little things, so I can go now. But yeah, y'all, so it's been delayed, so it'll probably be here when I get, they say it's out for delivery, so it'll probably be here by the time I get back, because it's supposed to be delivered between 1:45 and 3:45, and it's 2:07, and it's like, I don't want to show y'all what it is. Y'all see how close it is? It's super close. So, and they say it's arriving at that time, so it should be here pretty soon. But I'm about to get ready to go. My car is warmed up, and so yeah, I will catch y'all in the next part. Y'all, I'm so mad because I literally, like, y'all gonna see this as the next clip, but I literally been gone from the house, literally, y'all, less than like 3 minutes, and I just got an email that said my package was delivered. I told y'all it was gonna probably be delivered like once I was gone and came back or whatever, but I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing. I wanted to go ahead and do that. And now I gotta wait until I get back and I have a car full of groceries, and I don't want to do that. I mean, it ain't the biggest of deals, but still, you know, like when you have your mind set on doing something, and you know, nonetheless, the Lord's will be done. You know, at this point, I'm complaining over spilled milk. Like, I can't, I mean, I could turn around, but I'm not going to, you know. So I had to come tell y'all that because I literally knew that was gonna happen. So when I saw the notification pop up on my phone from I saw I got an email, I was like, it better not be my package. And it was my package. So y'all, this is my favorite song, like one of my favorite gospel songs. It's called 12 by J Tide, baby. Hey, Shaya, that right there gets me. Woo, baby, I love this song, okay? Like, I love when songs remind me of seasons in my life. And for me, this song reminds me of a season where I was freshly, like, delivered, and I was really seeking to go deeper in the Lord. And so it just reminds me of me just really wanting God to dwell within me. And so y'all probably hear playing a little bit in the background. It's my song. Our hearts are raised to you. We wait on you. Hey, won't you come in the room? Will you come in the room? Our hearts are raised to you. We wait on you. Will you come in the room? Hey, will you come in the room? I done gave y'all a whole little acapella. A whole little solo. But y'all, I cannot sing. But that is my jam. You can't tell me I can't sing when Dwell is playing, baby. I'm gonna tell the Lord to dwell here. To dwell here, boo. Dwell here, Lord, please. And so that's my jam. That's a little quick jam of the day. Okay, but let me focus on driving, y'all, because don't do this. This is irresponsible. So guys, I have not been really showing y'all everything I've been doing, but my list is pretty much complete. Oh, my list is pretty much complete. I have 2 things left on here. One thing isn't here, so now I'm just looking for some blue corn tortilla chips, and I'll be ready to go. So that was my last item. As y'all see, there's the buggy, and let me let y'all see me. So that was everything on the list, and now I'm gonna go check out because they didn't have any Toll House cookies, and my camera's about to die. So let me go check out, and I'll be back, y'all. Y'all, boy, as y'all see, the groceries are secured. I didn't even secure my seatbelt because there was somebody waiting for my part, and so I had to just, you know, oh Lord. And y'all, I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. It's too much happening. Okay, y'all, so I wasn't able to get much footage in Walmart because it was a lot of people, and I didn't want the Saints to be like, oh, she taking out whatever. So I did get some, and then of course I got me checking out, but I could barely even like get in the car, let my car warm up because there was somebody trying to get my part, and so I had to just, you know, skedaddle. But we here now, and I have to go probably to Kroger because they didn't have some of the stuff that we wanted, and so I'm gonna go to Kroger just to get like some cookies and stuff. I'm already like, I done left, so I'm gonna go. Now I gotta go to Kroger because they didn't have, like I showed y'all, the Toll House, and so I'm gonna go get something from Kroger. I'm gonna see if they got Toll House, or I'm gonna see if they have just like some double soap Oreos or something like that. And then I'll be going to the house to get my package from Amazon Hub, and then from there I'll be get my package from Amazon Hub, then I'll be get your words out, I'll be going home. But I will do an unboxing before I get in the house. Well, I'm trying to see, because I don't know if I want to do the unboxing in the house or if I want to do it in the car. So I'm thinking in my mind, I'm still going to have to carry this stuff upstairs, and I don't have a big purse. I just have like my little crossbody. I don't have a big purse with me today, so, or I would just been able to just put the stuff in the purse. So I'm trying to see what's gonna be the most plausible thing to do, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully my heat not too loud, because I did take my microphone out, so I really don't even know how this sounds. To be honest, I haven't really tested the difference to hear how I sound with or without the microphone. So my bad if it do sound a little far away, if y'all can't really hear me for real. But I'll be at Kroger soon, so I probably won't vlog me in there, because I'm not even going grocery shopping for real. I'm just literally going to see if they got some Toll House cookies. I don't know, I still may take the camera in there just for the heck of it. I am trying to get more consistent and be more bold with vlogging. Like, even when I had my camera out while I was checking out groceries and stuff, I was like, I know these folks are probably like, this girl, who is she even? But, you know, I'm trying to, this is what the Lord has called me to do in this season, so I can't be worried and consumed about what people think, what they assuming of me, what they not assuming, whatever. So she just gotta do her thing. So that's just that on that. Yeah, so that's just that on that. But I'll literally be at Kroger probably like 5 minutes, 7 minutes max, and so I'll see how I feel regarding like vlogging in there or not. I don't want to get like unnecessary footage, you know, like y'all help me help y'all. Like, what do y'all deem as unnecessary? Like, yes, I'm a vlogger or whatever, and I watch people's vlogs, but like, I don't know what y'all like from me. Like, do y'all like when I just be going on these like random tangents, or do y'all prefer to see more of me like in action doing stuff, or do y'all prefer, just what do y'all prefer? What do y'all prefer? Leave me comments, let me know, and I'll be sure to give the saints what they were looking for. And so that's all I got for now. I'll be back either when I get to Kroger or when I go to the Amazon Hub to get my packages. So be back. Oh. Alright friends, so I'm gonna end this vlog with my Amazon unboxing, showing y'all what I got from on Amazon. And like I said, all of these links are gonna be in my storefront, so be sure to shop your girl storefront, okay? I got this big old box for this little stuff, but it's okay. So, you guys, so I got this super cute laptop case, and this case was only $8, okay? It was only $8. And oh, it's all tight or whatever, but basically it comes with the case, the screen protector, and the keyboard cover. Yeah, so y'all see the keyboard cover, the case, and it comes with a screen protector too. So I'm gonna put that on my computer. It's super, super, super cute. I'll probably put a picture of it on the screen, like somewhere here or something, so y'all can see. But it's really, really cute. And I'll probably like show y'all my computer with it on, cause well, let me see if I can find a knife real quick to open it. Alright, so oh, it's in more plastic, but this is what the front looks like. It's like peacock style or whatever. And then it's just like a clear bottom. And then it has like a light pink keyboard cover. Super cute. And then the screen protector. So that's the first thing. And then this I'm really excited about. So this is a super cute laptop sleeve. So I got a 14-inch, even though my computer is a 13-inch. But it's a laptop sleeve, and it's supposed to be able to like prop my laptop up, but I probably won't use that feature, I guess. But oh, y'all look, oh, there we go. I probably won't use that feature because I got that laptop stand I showed y'all in my other vlog, but it also came with like an accessories pouch for me to put like my mouse, my cords, all that stuff in here. So I'm really excited about that. It's like this olive yellow color. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So here's my laptop now. And it fits perfectly with the case on it. So I'm excited about this. This is super cute. Super, super cute. Somewhere just to store my laptop. And it feels really good. It's super stylish, super sleek, you know? So yeah, friends, that's all I got. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. Okay, friends, so I just got some packages from Amazon and I am about to do like an unboxing. I have no idea what's in these packages. I got bags, I got boxes. So we're gonna do a little haul. Some stuff I ordered, some stuff my mom ordered, and I got her on the phone.
Hello.
She said, hi y'all. I got my mama on the phone and we're trying to figure out who ordered what. So I'm gonna start with this one because I have no idea what this is, and it almost feel like it's nothing in here, but I feel something, but it's like it's nothing in here, so I'm gonna see. And she said she had something else that still says it's out for delivery, so I was gonna wait for that one too, but I was just ready to do it. Oh, this is that that adapter, mama.
I know it.
What you mean you know it?
Saying there wasn't nothing in there.
Well, if you would see the size of the packaging, you would have seen it. You would have been like, oh, because it felt like it wasn't nothing. I couldn't think of what it was. Okay, so this is perfect. This is the adapter I needed for my camera and my microphone. I just got a microphone for my cam, so that's perfect. So let's see what this is. Oh Lord, oh that's my phone. It's okay. I need something to open this with. is a gift, as y'all see. So clearly I didn't buy this, my mommy did, and it is a new camera case, and it's pink. A new pink camera case is what it is. It's super cute. So I keep all my cam accessories together. So I'm gonna put my cord for my microphone in here so I don't lose it. This case is super cute and super pink, and I super love it. Thanks, mommy.
You're welcome.
And then put that in there. And then it has this little thing. Let's see what this is. I just broke the box, Lord. Too eager. Oh, some chargers. We finna be in the game, okay? Ain't gonna be no reason for me not to shoot no content, because I got extra chargers. Now we gonna see if they work. Now we gonna see if they're compatible with this camera that I have. So I got me some batteries. It came with 2 and a little charging station. It came with 2 and a charging station, so okay, let's keep it pushing. Oh, and it's like a USB charger, so it came with that too. I'm gonna try it out. So I don't know if it's gonna be feasible or not, but we're gonna try it out. Was that the right word? Feasible? And so next I have this one. Oh, this is my tripod. So you guys, I got a new tripod that is like a vlogging tripod. So it should be better than the one I even got y'all on right now. And I can do some cool stuff with it, like hook it on like my microphone and my camera to the actual tripod. Since my camera doesn't have a thing on the top, it's on the bottom. So y'all don't know what I'm talking about. But however, this is gonna be a game changer. So yes.
And go to my link and find these items.
Oh yeah, and as my mommy said, you can shop everything I'm showing you on my Amazon storefront. I'll be sure to link that in the description box. It should already be linked, but y'all will see it in the description box for sure. I'm trying to push it a little bit more because I didn't had it since 2020 and ain't been doing nothing with it, so I'm trying to do something with it. And I think this is gonna be what I ordered, since everything else is what she ordered. I think this right here is what I purchased, which I'm really happy with this. I've been wanting some new a new phone case for the longest, and the prices just be pricing, okay? The prices just be pricing. Y'all, look at this fork. I didn't close the fork the wrong way, and look at it. I'm trying to use something to open this box with. And so, oh Lord, see my camera about to die right now. I want to show y'all this because I know. Y'all, wait. This ain't even what I thought it was. So that means I'm missing something. Unless it's at the house. So this is what my mama ordered. What is this? Oh, no, this is what I ordered. This is my mouse. Okay, my phone case is not here yet. Okay, so I got a mouse for my computer, like a USB-C, so I can use a mouse because I do a lot of computer work and I'm getting kind of frustrated with the trackpad, and so I ordered this mouse so I'm able to you know, plug it into my computer and use it while I work. And it has a USB-C port because mine the one I had only had one for the USB. So this has a USB-C. As y'all see, it has both, but I can use it for USB. And it's a pretty like pinkish color, so y'all really can't see the color, but oh, there it goes. It's gonna match my outfit. But so yeah, y'all, that is my little Amazon haul. And yeah, Be sure to like and subscribe. Oh, and shop all these links at my storefront, okay? Shop them. Get what you like. Get what you like that I got, okay? Okay.
Period. Blessed be a blessing, ain't no crying, no more stressing. Blessed be a blessing, ain't no crying, no more stressing. Blessed be a blessing, ain't no crying, no more stressing.